Hi, I'm Ron Dodge with RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks and LodoLiving.com. You know what they say, location, location, location. My new listing in Harbour Bay is tucked between Porto, Cima and the villages in Sunrise Beach. Do you like lakefront bar hopping? If so, you're only minutes from backwater jacks and dog days by water. Let's take a look. This cute 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo is only steps from your slip and your PWC slip. You're only 5 minutes to the Bagnell Dam Strip and 10 minutes to Osage Beach. As you can see, this beautiful lakefront condo in Harbour Bay has everything you need to entertain, spend a day on the water, or just sit back and relax. Don't let this one slip away. Give me a call and I'll give you all the details.